Hey y'all, this is Emmanuella Belzince with Keller Williams and Vision Realty, and I was just thinking about how great of a time I had during the Dine and Discover Buyers Workshop that I thought I should do it again. So why don't you join me? Wait a minute. Look.
No, what are you doing? Oh,
look who's here.
Hey.
Mortgage Marc Budnik from Southeast Mortgage.
What's up? How you doing? This is awesome.
This is such a coincidence, really.
Cool beans.
So listen, I was thinking we could do a Dine and Discover workshop again and have a great time. But I really want you to tell them about the new amazing low interest rates. Can you come and tell them about it?
I would love to. Matter of fact, rates are so low right now, it's blowing my mind. We're down in the threes. I'm refinancing everybody. Money's super cheap. Purchases are super cheap. We can't make it easier for you to own a home in today's market. And so
let's make that happen. So I found Marc, Mortgage Marc, and I'll be there to tell you about the buying process. And why don't you join me on
September 18th? Does that work for you?
Let's do September 18th.
Perfect.
At Logan House at 6:30. And I'm going to be there. He's going to be there. So you should be too.
Can't wait to see you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.